In this tutorial, we'll talk about how you can find the intercept of a line on the x and y axis. To simply get the intercept on the y and x axis, for x axis, we substitute y to be 0 and solve for x, and for y axis, we substitute x to be 0 and solve for y. The first one is intercept on the x axis. For this equation, let's get the intercept on the x-axis. How do we get that? We make y to be equal to 0. From the equation, we have x plus 3y minus 6 equals to 0. If you put y to be 0, we have x plus 0 minus 6 equals to 0, which now leaves us with x equal to 6. And then the intercept on the x-axis will be 6, 0. Since we are writing the x-axis first, this is x and this is y that we put at 0. Then the second one, which is intercept on the y-axis. To get the intercept on the y-axis, simply substitute x to be equal to 0 and solve for y. And from this equation, we are going to have 0 plus 3y minus 6 equals to 0. And here we have y equal to 6 divided by 3, and this equals to 2. Therefore, we have the intercept on the y-axis to be x0, 2, which is the y-axis. And that is very simple, as simple as that, how you can look for the intercept on the x and y-axis of a given line.